In medical training, oftentimes the older physicians would tell us, you need to talk to your patient, tell them to exercise, lose weight, take care of themselves, get a hobby, be creative. Yet the fascinating thing we see when people receive TMS and SPRAVATO treatments and begin to go into remission from their depression is we don't have to tell our patients anything. As their brain heals, what we see is that people begin to sleep better. They begin to exercise more. They begin to make connections and spend time with other people. They start eating healthier. If they need to lose weight, they lose weight. If they need to gain weight, they gain weight. If they need to take their dog on a walk or wash their hair, or they used to love gardening or painting and they want to do that again, all of a sudden they start gardening again or painting again, or maybe even painting for the first time. That's what we see in our patients, and this is without us telling them anything. That is the amazing thing about the brain. I trust that people know what it is that they're supposed to do with their life, and they can figure out their purpose and they can figure out what brings them joy. We're just here to give people the tools so that their brains can heal.